Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I'm going to do a straight pour in mono, black and white, but then I want to put a nice ribbon over the top of it. So for that I've got the black and white of course, but also some gold and some vermilion, which is rather bright. It's I guess it's a dark orange, tangerine-y sort of colour. I don't know, it's vermilion. Okay, so the recipes for these paints and pouring mediums you will find below, show more under this video. And I'm just wondering, I don't think I need this great big cup. I'm going to use this cup here, which I mixed the white in, so it'll be okay. And I'm just putting in some black and white for the first part of this. It's coming along. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium below this video under show more. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. So I'm just pouring it out straight. And then I'm going to stretch him around a little bit. Over the edge, eh? Might need more. I think I will. So here we go again. I'm only going to do the same thing though. Okay, we'll try it again, see if we get it. Probably got too much there now. Just bring him over. I'm getting a lot of cells for somebody that didn't have any silicone in there. It's alright though. That will be alright. Now I'll just bring this back a bit. Okay, that's a very nice mono. I'll just make sure my corners are done. Which, as you can see there, look at that, they're not nearly done. Here's now. Okay. Get happy. So here we go. Now wipe my hands off on this pour cloth, and then I'm going to, I have a little scooper whooper. Put a little bit of white in there, I think. Some black. And now my vermilion. That is nice and bright. And the lovely gold. Whoops, tipping it off already. And some more black. And last but not least, white. Okay, so quite pretty, and I might just for fun. And I'm going to start here, I think, and just bring them across. Well, that does look nice. Okay, so I'm going to put some more colours in here. In a little scooper. Maybe in a different order this time. And gold. Oops, alright. And I'm going to bring this one over there. I'd rather have a bit of black here too. Right, I'm not happy with what I just did there. And I'm going to have that up the edge. Okay, you know, I'm not going to mess with that. I'm just going to leave it. I need something up there. Alright, some vermilion. Gold. And a bit of black. And I can bring that one which way? Curl and around, eh? Well, that is really nice. Look at all the cells. Huh? If you wanted cells, you couldn't get them. No OGX, and I'm getting cells. So I'm going to torch it because I know that I have air bubbles. That's very pretty. I just can't understand where all those cells are coming from. That's okay. So right, what have I told you? Everything, I think. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell underneath beside that word, and then you'll be notified as I put more videos up into YouTube. I gotta get you down off here without dropping the camera. Easier said than done. So, I'll just take you out And that's what I just was looking at, a little bit different to what you probably were. But I really like this one. It's really nice and bright. When that gold dries, it'll be really nicely sparkling. And it looks really good. It coming out on the black and white looks really great. I'm quite taken with that vermilion colour. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this the video the thumbs up, and don't forget to like and share and all of that sort of stuff. And I'll catch you in the next one. So, bye for now.